to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. So today we're going to try a very simple recipe. Yeah, how to make pilau, homemade pilau. Si lazima uende kwa hoteli kule pilau. I mean, pilau ni kitu unaweza jipikia with only few ingredients. So yes, come along with me. Ingredients are ready. So we have dania stalks. Hizi ni dania. We have tomato paste. We have pilau masala. Our onion together with garlic, towaru, potatoes because of the Ukikuyu in us. The meat, boiled meat, which is ready, and our rice, our these are the beef cubes. Yes, and tuanze process. Make sure vitungu zako ziko umeweka vitungu mingi. So our vitungu, we start with onions. Inatakanga a lot of oil. Inatakanga mafuta mingi. Make sure pilau imepata mafuta mingi, and then now you leave. Tutaiacha for like 5 minutes. Kitunguu to turn golden brown. Yes. As you can see, after 5 minutes, our onion has already turned golden brown. So tutaanza na waru ndio zishike mafuta. Immediately after waru, we put our nyama. Wow! We put our waru and the nyama pamoja. Then we add our tomato paste. Our tomato paste. You can see. Then we're going to add our pilau masala. Mimi napima na hii funiko yake. So here nimeweka half of it. So you continue to stir. You stir. Then you add the dania sticks. Uto tumiti tuwenye hatuivangi haraka. Juu uto tumiti hatuivangi. Dania inafaa kukua ya mwisho huko. Though for potato si lazima uweke waru. Pilau haikangi waru, but sisi ni Wakikuyu lazima. Then our beef stock. We add our beef stock. And then our nimeweka ni beef cubes. like a beef cubes, and then you add the rice. And then unazikoroga karaga, and then you leave them to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. You leave them to boil. So 20 minutes later, guys, our pilau is ready. Nimesha ikoroga, so na nimeweka dania. So this is how it looks like. And then we plate. We plate and then we put it up to a plate. Finally, our food is served. We're taking it with the avocado. That's how it looks like. Yes. And tropical Minute Maid juice. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed the whole recipe video, and I wish you try it and then you give me the feedback up in the comment section. Yeah, this is the end of our video. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe for more contents. Peace.